Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today's video is all about scrolling with JavaScript Executor. If you have missed our earlier session with JavaScript Executor, click on the link in the right top corner to catch up. We'll be modifying our previous code to show you how to scroll the page and interact with elements using JavaScript Executor. Let's jump right in. I made a few changes to our test website to include a scrollable page. Now you need to scroll vertically to the bottom to see the checkboxes option and horizontally to the far right to access the offline checkbox option. Scrolling is often required in Selenium because web elements might be out of view initially and you need to bring them to the viewport to interact with them properly. Alright, here's the code from our previous video. We are going to add some scrolling action to it. Let's do a bit of cleanup and then get started. We'll see how to scroll down, scroll right, and then do a combination of vertical and horizontal scroll and scroll to a specific element. The piece of JavaScript code required to scroll is window.scrollby, and you have to pass the coordinates x and y as arguments. So to scroll down, we'll be focusing on y coordinate. So here it is 0, 2500, and for the right it is on x alone. So it will be 2500, 0. And when I want to do the combination of horizontal and vertical scroll, I'll be using both x and y coordinates. Let's say if I want to move to the top left, I have to use negative values. Sometimes you need to scroll directly to a specific element. Here's how you can do that. It is argument 0 dot scroll into view and then pass the element as second argument. This scrolls the page until the specified element is in the viewport of your screen. Let's run it. So it scrolls down and then to the right, clicking the element, top left corner, and now it is moving directly to the element. And there you have it. Using JavaScript Executor, you can easily scroll through the web pages and interact with the elements that are outside the viewport. This is especially useful for web pages where elements load asynchronously or hidden in a long scrolling page. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with all your queries, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Selenium tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.